guys, and welcome back to the Kingdom. I hope you guys had positive weeks this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you the design I did for Kingdom of the Wicked. Now I'm only doing Kingdom of the Wicked in this video because it is a full front, back and edge design, so it's a complete redesign for the book, but we will have Kingdom of the Cursed next week, and they are complementary designs, although they are different with different colours, so you guys had better make sure that you are tuned if you want to see that as well. Now this is a collab with Paperfury. I reached out to Paperfury and said, would you like one of my books? And she said yes, and that she would like a copy of Kingdom of the Wicked. So I worked really hard and came up with a design I am so proud of. I think it's come out fantastically, so let me show you guys. So this is the front cover. We have this metallic gold skull, dagger, serpent flower design with this thorny framing. And again, as you guys can see in my ring light, it's metallic finish as well. This is the edge where we've got burgundy on the edge with metallic flowers and a little witching pentagram. And then we've got the flowers top and bottom as well. And then as we go to the back, we have a dagger surrounded by the rose, and again with the same framing. So this is sort of the overall effect. I really love how this book has turned out. It's come together with such a polished, finished look to it. Anyway, without any more witching from me, let's jump into the time lapse. another look at the book. So this is the front. Again, we've got that metallic finish. This is what we've got around the edges and top and bottom, the back. I really love how this design has come together, and particularly how it mirrors the design I'm going to do on Kingdom of the Cursed. Make sure that you tune in next week to see the design I did there, but it's absolutely fantastic and I love how the two work together. Yes, and I love the metallic golds and how that complements the dust jacket that it goes with, because I do love the dust jackets that are on these books. They're just so beautiful. I did mean to get this design out for Halloween, but things happened. My stencils ended up arriving late. I don't know if you've seen any of my studio vlogs, which will probably be one of the videos that comes out soon. But yeah, my stencils ended up arriving very late. So a couple of commissions ended up going out a bit late, but thankfully I have the best clients in the world, and they didn't seem to mind. So yes, thank you to everyone who has bought a copy of my work or has ordered a custom order from me. You guys are absolutely awesome. Anyway, I don't want to witter too much because this has been a long video as it is. So if you like this content, please like, thumbs up, subscribe, all of those good things. It really helps me when you guys engage, because I can reach more people. So thank you to everyone who does as well. Make sure you check out my Instagram and my TikTok and all of those good things. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care of yourselves. Bye.